Oh, hi. Good morning, everyone. A very good morning. So we are here in Rockhampton, or the area just outside Rockhampton. I'm at my friend's place and I'm just about to get ready, and packing is all done. It's all good to go. So let's go. It's going down. Called Gingen. There's a place called Bundaberg, which is about 49 kilometers that way. So I have to get off the freeway, go 49 kilometers, and then come up to the freeway, which is another 40 kilometers, which will add about 1 hour to the trip. We're going to go down towards Bundaberg now and then make my way back up. Bundaberg is a rum actually, and yeah, this place is the origin of this rum.
How are you today?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, really well. Just that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, perfect. So it's $84.95, thank you. There you go, mate. You have a lovely day, hey?
You too.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so that's the tour of the distillery store of Bundaberg. So now we start making our way back to Brisbane. It's what? 3 o'clock right now. Takes about what? 4 hours, so 7 o'clock. So Sean will be really pissed off if I go later, so let's get out really quickly. think I'm still on the wrong floor. So, yeah, I got here and we are meeting at this place called Momo's Chicken and Beer. But problem is, I don't know where this place is. How do I go down, miss?
Where were you going to go to? Do you know?
Some place called Momo's Chicken and Beer.
Okay, it's just down there. Come this way, I'll show you the
Oh, thank you.
there. So just kind of remember you came in above you.
Okay.
And just go next to the Mexican restaurant.
Mexican, yep. Oh, there, I can see it now. Okay, thank you.
Well, enjoy.
Thank you for helping me.
No worries.
Oh, bro. Good, man, good. I am done with Sean. So I just had a meeting with my friend Sean. I used to work with him before and he moved to Brisbane. So I just actually had some dinner with him. And now I'm going back to my place of stay. I didn't book anything tonight because I did not know where I was going to stay or how long I was going to take, or even if I was going to make it to Brisbane or not. But yeah, I should have booked something. I didn't book anything, but and then all the places that I tried to book now are not answering their phone calls because it's 9:40 right now. So nobody's answering their phone calls. They're all gone to bed. I called this one Bay hotel, the Waterloo Bay Hotel, and the lady there was like, I don't know, I can't see whether we are booked out or not, which was strange. And she told me to go online and book it for some reason. So that was the only place that answered my phone call. That was the only place that was available. So I made the booking. Now I'm headed towards that place. So let's see if we get a place tonight or not, but I think I've already paid for it, so it should be there. Really tired. I also made a mistake just before. The road was going dip and out, and I didn't think it was dip, and I overtook a car, and the car coming on front, I had to move around, and I thought it was going to be an easy day today. Hi there, I spoke to you just before and you asked me to go online and do a booking, right? I booked it, yeah, for tonight's accommodation. I booked it via booking.com. And now I'm here as well, so I don't know how to, like, what to do next. Where do I go? Because I'm here at the guest. It says guest, but then I go in there. It's just room. There's a reception there. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
When did you book?
Just 30 minutes ago.
Ooh. What booking app did you use?
Booking.com. Because I contacted the lady and she's like, look, if try it online and see if it's a...
Oh, you rang after hours, stupid thing, hey?
I rode from Chermside all the way here
Did you?
and one of my bags was not locked.
Did you lose anything?
No.
Fuck, that's good.
Yeah.
That's lucky.
The bag's got about what? About $3,500 worth of gear.
Oh, fuck. Did you? What up? You can move. I can show you where you are anyway. You can move your bike closer to you.
Yeah.
Tied up and go to bed, eh?
Yep. You've got to wake up early tomorrow.
So yeah, when you check out, you just leave your key in your room.
Done.
Good to go. Beautiful. Any issues, just come over and find me over in the pub.
Is that a Triumph Tiger?
Yeah,
Sick.
that's the new 900 as well.
Oh, that's kind of like my KTM 1190R, but it's a bit smaller.
Yeah.
It's pretty sick though.
1190 is a great bike.